Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the repost button on TikTok. Okay, so first of all, you have to go into the TikTok, and basically, if you don't get the repost button, then you have to click on profile, and on the top right side corner, you will see three lines. Just click over that, and you will get two options. Click on setting and privacy. Just scroll it down, and you have to click on report a problem, and after that it will get open in few seconds, and you have to scroll it a little bit down and just click on feed, search and share. Okay, so watch it till the end, otherwise you will not able to understand the process. Okay, then click on share, and you have to choose the option which is others. Okay, and here you will get an option that you need more help, so click on the no and click on need more help, and you will get a box where you can write your problem. So basically you can write here that you have to explain your problem, like you have to explain your problem that you're missing the repost button, please bring it back to my account, because this is an important feature for my TikTok user experience. Like that, it doesn't need to be exact similar, but you just have to make report this problem, and after that you will submit. You will get the option to submit here. So when you will submit it, it will send a message to the human, to the TikTok service center, and after that he will look into your account and he will give you back your repost button. Okay, so this is it. This is how you can do it, and just try one more feature, something like that. You can just check on the Google Play Store that you have the latest version of TikTok or not, and also just try to see that if it is latest, then it is a good thing. Otherwise, you can just click and hold, go into the app info management and click on the storage and clear all the data. Okay, and after that you will clear all the data. It will, you have to re-log in it and just re-log in it and just wait that you will get a repost button. Okay, but the most important thing is that you can just do the report a problem, and after that the TikTok service center will solve the issue. That is the most best thing, that best version that you can solve your issue. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, then like this video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.